Hi, this is Dipen Shah, the Senior Vice President with the PCG Research Team at Kotak Securities. Talking about markets, the Indian markets have been pretty range bound over the past fortnight and in fact have corrected a bit. They have largely been lackluster with no major upward movement. The reasons have not been far to seek. We have had both global as well as local reasons because of which markets have failed to go up. Internationally, we have had once again concerns coming from Europe with the bond yields in Spain as well as Italy shooting up, and now we once again have concerns on the US economy where the payroll data was much lower than expected and the data came in last week. So this along with the continuing slowdown in China or the negative news coming out of China has had an impact on the markets. On the domestic front also we had impact which was more on the fund flows. There is uncertainty about taxability of the capital gains by the FIIs under the GAR, and this has likely had an impact on the volumes as far as markets are concerned, and this has in turn impacted the markets on an overall basis. Apart from that, we have not seen too much in form of reforms which we are expecting, and we are still awaiting that. So all these factors have together impacted the markets. Going ahead, we now have the important data in terms of IIP and inflation coming up, and more importantly we have got the RBI meeting which is scheduled for the 17th of April. We will await the decision of the RBI, and that will have an important bearing on the markets. Apart from that, in the medium term or in the near term, we have got the quarterly numbers. The season starts with Infosys declaring numbers this weekend, and that will also have an important bearing on the future direction of the market and also in terms of the earnings estimates for the next year. We will be closely looking at the management comments which accompany the results to form our opinion about the next year, both in terms of the earnings estimates as well as in terms of the targets for the market. Over the medium to long term, we continue to maintain that government initiatives and reforms are the prerequisite for the markets to move up. We have consistently maintained that till the time that happens, markets will continue to trade in a narrow band. They have continued to trade in that band, and till the time we see some reforms or any initiatives from the government, we expect the markets to largely remain in a narrow band. They can obviously be impacted by any international events. Just now we had an unfortunate event of a tsunami which has likely hit Indonesia and is likely to impact some of the other countries itself, other countries also. So subject to those international events, the markets may actually come off, but apart from that we expect the markets to be in a narrow band, and we continue to maintain our stock specific approach and recommend investing with a long term perspective in stocks which are available at reasonable valuations and which have credible and transparent managements. Thank you very much.